Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to connect Node.js 18 long-term support version with Oracle Database 23C free, which is running on Linux virtual machine. So here you can see that I already installed Node.js 18 long-term support version and it's already available in the Windows command line. Okay. Now let me go to directory.js program. I am opening Oracle 23c.js, which contains the logic to connect Oracle database 23c. So it requires some package. Okay, so it requires the package called Oracle DB. We need to download from Node.js repository, and it contains a connection string, username, password, and database URL. And using the database URL, we are going to fetch the records from person table. That is simple logic. Okay, and this is the Oracle database 23c free edition running on Linux virtual machine, which is the latest release of Oracle database 23c. So you can see person table contains some records. We are going to fetch these records in Node.js program with this logic. Okay, let me go to command line, and here first I am checking the version. Yes, so Node 18.16 is available in the path. Now npm install Oracle DB. So I already told that this requires a package called Oracle DB. So this is download Oracle DB package is got downloaded from Node.js repository. So Oracle DB 5.5.0 is the latest version, that is current version. So and this is the direct structure of Oracle DB package. So you can navigate the Oracle DB package when you get some time. Okay. So this is the logic to connect Oracle database 23c. Now let me run the program. Node Oracle 23c.js. Yes, I am able to connect the program. I can able to see that records are getting fetched. See here, all these three records are got fetched. So Oracle database 23c connectivity with Node.js 18 long-term support version is successful.